Today is Tuesday, so that means it's time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today I'm going to do a tiny tidy in my kitchen. I just finished taking down my Christmas decorations, so I need to clean my countertops and clean my sink. I hope this motivates you to do a little tiny around your home today. As always, I would love to thank Sunday Dawn for putting this collaboration together. Please check out her channel and I'll link below, along with the playlist of all the other tiny tidiers. I love things that shimmer and shine. However, my kitchen countertops are not made to shimmer and shine. So after removing my Christmas decorations, I really needed to wipe down some of the Christmas shimmer and shine that was left on the countertops. I'm using my Caldrea sea salt scent countertop spray to clean my countertops. I'm just removing items and wiping it down and just cleaning up Christmas. Am I the only one that when I decorate for Christmas, my house feels so crowded at first, and then when I remove everything, it just seems so empty?
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours.
I am actually filming this video on my birthday. I left my house early this morning and it is around 7 o'clock and I'm just getting home. So that is why I look a little tired, because honestly I am tired. I was gone all day, but I did have a great birthday and I had a great dinner out. So yeah, it was the end of the day. It's dark outside and I am tired, and I am also going to put some Scentsy, some wax warmer in this little wax warming thing. I love how this smells. It is so good.
'Cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand.
As I was putting my wax back up, I found a couple of things that I could actually get rid of and purge out of my home. And I think I actually, because if you guys know, I'm doing a decluttering challenge, I am getting rid of 30 items a day for 30 days, and I actually found 15 items, and yes, I counted each little hot chocolate cup that I am throwing away because we're no longer using those, but I did not count like each marshmallow or anything like that in the little jars, but the jars went too.
He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I am a former teacher. I love to teach you guys how to do things here on my channel. I am a homemaker, and I love to do all things homemaking. And I would so love for you to be part of my YouTube family. It is growing, and I love hearing from you guys. Also, I am a heart warrior, and I love to inspire you guys and show you guys that I can thrive despite having a heart condition.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Because it was late and I did not feel like changing my cleaning cloth or getting something else, I did use the Caldrea spray on my table, and it worked just fine. It actually worked very well, and it took all the shimmer and glitter of Christmas off, and it looks great now. To decide what I wanted to use to clean the sink with, and I decided to use the Dawn Power Wash Spray. We had not been home, so we had not used the kitchen on this particular day, so I just felt like that would be a great thing just to wipe it down with.
I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. A star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
One thing that I do like to see sparkle and shimmer and shine in my kitchen is my kitchen sink, and I think that the Dawn Power Wash did that. It looks so clean, so shiny. And you know, just cleaning your sink could be a tiny tidy in and of itself because it is small and it is something that can make a huge difference in the appearance of your kitchen. After I finish cleaning the sink, I'm just going to vacuum a little bit, and you guys will notice that I have my pants rolled up, and the reason why I have my pants rolled up is these jeans are designed to wear with a higher heel, which I had on while we were out. However, my feet were killing me, so whenever I came home, I took my shoes off and I rolled up my pants so that I did not step all over them. So if you're wondering why my pants are rolled up, that is why.
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
So I am vacuuming up the last little bit of sparkle and shimmer, and I am officially sad that Christmas 2022 is over, but look forward to next Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.